Hello and welcome to Love Talks. Today we are going to talk about 10 creative date ideas for couples on a budget. We all know that going on dates can be expensive, especially if you want to do something special. However, you don't need to break the bank to have a great time with your significant other. In this video, we will give you some unique and affordable date ideas that will make your time together more special and memorable. So let's get started. 1. Have a picnic in the park. One of the simplest and most romantic dates you can have is a picnic in the park. You can pack your favorite snacks and drinks and spend the afternoon enjoying each other's company. Make sure to bring a blanket to sit on and some games to play, like cards or a frisbee. You can also bring a book or a magazine to read together. It's a great way to enjoy the outdoors, relax, and bond with your partner. 2. Take a hike. Another great way to spend time together is to take a hike. You don't need to be an expert hiker to enjoy the great outdoors. There are plenty of easy and scenic hiking trails that you can explore together. Make sure to bring plenty of water, sunscreen, and snacks. You can also take some pictures and enjoy the view from the top. 3. Volunteer together. If you both have a passion for helping others, volunteering can be a great way to spend time together. There are plenty of local organizations that are always looking for volunteers. You can choose an activity that you both enjoy, like helping out at a soup kitchen, cleaning up a park, or visiting a nursing home. It's a great way to give back to your community and bond with your partner at the same time. 4. Take a cooking class. If you both enjoy cooking, taking a cooking class together can be a fun and educational experience. You can learn new recipes, techniques, and flavors. Plus, you get to eat what you make at the end of the class. It's a great way to learn something new and spend quality time together. 5. Have a movie marathon. If you're looking for a more relaxed date idea, having a movie marathon can be a great way to spend a lazy afternoon or evening together. Choose a theme like romantic comedies, action movies, or documentaries, and prepare some snacks and drinks. You can also add some fun by making a drinking game or a trivia game related to the movies you're watching. 6. Explore a museum. If you both enjoy art, history, or science, exploring a museum can be a great way to spend time together. Most museums offer free or discounted admission on certain days or times of the week. You can also choose a museum that has an exhibit you're both interested in. You can learn something new, appreciate art and history, and bond with your partner at the same time. 7. Take a dance class. If you're looking for a more active date idea, taking a dance class can be a fun and romantic experience. You don't need to be a great dancer to enjoy it. There are plenty of beginner classes that teach you the basic steps and moves. You can choose a style that you both enjoy, like salsa, tango, or swing. It's a great way to get close, learn something new, and have fun. 8. Go on a scavenger hunt. If you're looking for a more adventurous date idea, going on a scavenger hunt can be a fun and exciting experience. You can create your own scavenger hunt or use a template from the internet. You can choose a theme or a location, like your neighborhood or a local park. You can also add some fun challenges and clues to make it more interesting. It's a great way to work together, solve puzzles, and explore new places. 9. Host a game night. If you're looking for a date idea that involves your friends, hosting a game night can be a fun and social experience. You can invite a few couples over and prepare some snacks and drinks. You can play board games, card games, or party games. You can also make it a themed game night, like a trivia night or a game show night. It's a great way to bond with your partner and your friends. 10. Have a DIY project day. If you both enjoy creating things, having a DIY project day can be a fun and productive date idea. You can choose a project that you both want to work on, like painting a room, building a piece of furniture, or making a craft. You can also make it a competition and see who can finish their project first, or who can make the best one. It's a great way to bond, be creative, and achieve something together. There you have it, 10 creative date ideas for couples on a budget. Whether you're looking for a romantic, adventurous, or social experience, there's something on this list for everyone. Remember, you don't need to spend a lot of money to have a great time with your significant other. With a little bit of creativity and imagination, you can create memorable moments that will last a lifetime. Thanks for watching Love Talks, and we'll see you in the next video.